Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install IPTV's Smartest Pro on Firestick TV. So you have to enable the developer option. So if you're not able to enable the developer option, just go to the settings of your Firestick, scroll down and click on My Firestick TV. Click on About, then select your device name. You have to just click on 7 times. Just tap on your remote 7 times to unlock the developer option. You should see a message indicating that you are now a developer. Go back to My Fire TV Stick, select Developer option and enable App from Unknown Sources for the Downloader app. Return to the home screen, select the Finder icon and search for Downloader. Click on Downloader app in the search result and install it. Launch the Downloader app. In the URL bar, type firestick.com/smarters, which you can see here over the screen, and click Go. This will download the IPTV Smartest Pro APK link on your Fire Stick. Then you have to install it, and once you install, you can either open IPTV Smartest Pro immediately or find it later in your app list. Upon launching, you will need to enter your IPTV service provider credentials such as username and password or an M3U playlist link. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.